What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start affiliate marketing in 2020. This is going to be for complete beginners. I'm going to show you my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing strategy. All right, guys. So what we're going to be going over in this video is the best affiliate program to get started as a beginner. I'm going to be showing you also is the best affiliate program if you're looking to do high ticket affiliate marketing. And then, of course, how to drive extremely targeted traffic to your leads and to your offer. That's actually the most important part, is driving the traffic, getting people to your actual offers so you can start making money. Okay, so anyways, who am I? I am Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, and more specifically high ticket affiliate marketing, because I always teach people that you don't want to waste your time on lower ticket stuff. Okay, you want to promote something that is going to be worth your time, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 and above. Now, that may sound scary, as a complete beginner, but I promise you guys I started out doing low ticket, and it is a waste of time, because you're gonna get like $5 commissions, $10, whereas high ticket commissions you can get $1,000, $2,000. That'll totally change your mindset. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started as a complete beginner. I'm going to showing you, like without a website, anything like that. I'll show you how to get started. So the first program is called Clickfunnels. Okay, so I'm sure you might have heard of Clickfunnels. Basically, it's a website builder. It builds funnels for you, or funnels/websites, where it's super easy to, drag and drop, and it's super easy to create a website using ClickFunnels. So a lot of businesses, a lot of people are looking into ClickFunnels because they want to be able to grow their business, grow their brand. So what you got to do is promote ClickFunnels, because it's in high demand, so you're going to make a lot of money with it, right? So as you can see here, you can earn up to 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. Now, that is the key word, monthly reoccurring commissions, meaning if someone signs up for ClickFunnels, you're going to get paid monthly reoccurring, okay? Meaning, they pay $100 a month for the program, but you're going to get 40% of that, so about, $40 a month you're going to get every single month, okay? Now, I started promoting ClickFunnels when I first got started in affiliate marketing, and I love promoting it. It was just a little low ticket for me, but it's a great program for beginners, because this is in hot demand, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly how to get, sales, to ClickFunnels here in a little bit. But what I'm saying is there's another program that I promote that's higher ticket, and it's worth more, it's worth your time, okay? But this is, an awesome program to promote as a beginner, okay? And I'm not saying you can't get into high ticket affiliate marketing right away. But, if you are, scared to do the high ticket stuff, you can always start with ClickFunnels. And it's a great software. I use it in all my businesses. I have 3 businesses. So ClickFunnels is an awesome product. I would never promote something that I don't recommend. And so definitely recommend you promoting them as an affiliate. Okay, so let me show you some quick stats here. So I haven't been promoting them, like I said. So as you can see here, no sales in the last week. But, they still owe me a little bit of money, and then, I've been able to do about $4,000, which is not bad for not really promoting them, right? So, but there is a program that promotes them for you. I'm gonna show you exactly what that is here in a little bit. So stick with me through the video. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get ClickFunnels to be promoted pretty much for free, okay? But anyways, as far as ClickFunnels, okay, so I've done about $4,000, almost $4,000, and the cool thing is it's monthly reoccurring. So I have people already signed up under me. I'm gonna be getting paid a commission. So I'm actually gonna be working on getting more people to my ClickFunnels, here in 2020, because I do want that monthly reoccurring, because that is nice to have that. Every single month you have pretty much a set amount you're gonna make, right? So I am gonna be promoting ClickFunnels more in the future, because I haven't really promoted it. I've just been doing high ticket stuff, which I love, okay? Now the second one is the best high ticket program in my opinion. This is Legendary Marketer, okay? So I just started with this company about 4 months ago, and I've been able to do about $15,000 in commission sales. This is actual sales. Basically, Legendary Marketer is it's a company that teaches people how to make money online, okay? It teaches them how to start a business, whether it's affiliate marketing, their own courses. So it's actually an amazing product, okay? So, like I said, I only recommend products that I used and that I've bought before, and Legendary is amazing. Now, like I was saying before, if you want to promote ClickFunnels, you can promote ClickFunnels on autopilot using Legendary Marketer. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that here in a second, okay? But let me just show you some quick stats here. Like I said, I've only done this for about a month. You can see here, or I'm sorry, 4 months. So you can see here I started in August, and then today is December 20th. So that's where we're at now, December 20th. So you can see my payouts here. $1,000, $1,000, $500, $4,000, $75, $2,000, boom, 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 boom. So you can see my payments, guys. I'm making the money. It's really nice to be able to get paid out. And the cool thing is they pay you every 2 weeks, which is really cool, all right? But anyways, that is a Legendary Marketer. Now, let me show you something really cool. So if you do decide to promote Legendary, they actually promote ClickFunnels for you, which is really cool, okay? So if you become an affiliate, and I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate here in a little bit, okay? But if you do become an affiliate, you can go to Pro Streams of Income here, and basically you can add your affiliate, your ClickFunnels affiliate link inside of here, okay? So you can go here, and I have my ClickFunnels link here, okay? So in here, I have my whole ClickFunnels link. So basically, they're promoting ClickFunnels for me. So I just send people to Legendary, and they're actually promoting ClickFunnels for me, which is really cool because I don't have to worry about promoting ClickFunnels myself. I just promote one program, and they promote ClickFunnels for me. Now, they don't only just promote ClickFunnels, they promote other programs like email autoresponders and other stuff, but I'm not going to get into that right now. But what I'm saying is like I said, they help you start up an online business. So they give you the tools you need, right? So you need obviously ClickFunnels because you need to be able to build a website, and then you need an email autoresponder to collect email leads, right? So that's why I like Legendary, because they actually teach you how to start an online business, right? But they give you the tools they need, but they allow you to promote your affiliate links as well. So really, really cool. Also, if you do become an affiliate, they actually give you funnels, so you don't have to worry about creating a funnel. You can literally just use their funnels. However, I do have my own funnel that I use because I like to build my own funnels myself. But if you don't want to, if you're a complete beginner, you can literally just use their funnels. So you can go here, and they have these whole funnels already built out. You just literally copy them and start promoting them, which I'm going to show you here in a little bit. I know what you're thinking. How am I going to get people here? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But give me 1 second. But yeah, I just want to show you in here they have all the funnels that you can use and you can start promoting. So very, very powerful, an amazing company to work with, extremely, extremely ethical. I love these guys. That's why they're my #1 recommended program that I promote is Legendary Marketer. Okay, now let me show you one more thing. So if you do want to become an affiliate, okay, here's the thing. They do not let everyone in as an affiliate. They want experienced marketers because it is a lot of people get links and they'll start spamming them everywhere, and they don't want that. They only want people that are going to promote it legitly, okay? So let me show you a secret on how to get accepted, because a lot of people don't get accepted. So what you do is you sign up for the 15-day business challenge, and don't worry, it's only $7 to get started at the moment of recording this video. It's only $7 to get started. It's $7. You sign up for the 15-day challenge, okay? And basically you go through it, and once you go through the whole 15 days, you can go ahead and apply to be an affiliate, okay? And once you become an affiliate, then you have access to all this stuff. Then you have access to the affiliate dashboard, and you can start promoting Legendary Marketer. So it's really cool. And like I said, within Legendary, they promote ClickFunnels for you, and then you get the reoccurring commissions, right, which is really cool. And guys, like I said, I've only been doing this 4 months, and I've already done about $15,000, okay, with ClickFunnels. With Legendary Marketer, okay? So it's really, really cool. And then if you go to the leaderboards, it tells you where you're at, inside of Legendary. So, within 4 months, I was able to get on the leaderboards right here. So you got my name here. So yeah, I've been doing okay with them. I'm doing pretty well. What I'm saying is you can do it too, okay? You can get started as a complete beginner and start making those commissions, okay? Not saying you will. You might make less than me. You might make more. You might make nothing. But it's because I'm consistent with my business, right? So let me show you one more thing here. They have certain rankings here. So if you hit like $1 million, if you hit like $100,000, they have certain rankings here, okay? So I actually just hit just hit gold affiliate. So you can see here that I'm right here. I'm actually the newest one to hit gold, which is pretty cool. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do you get traffic to those affiliate offers, okay? And I'll show you exactly how to do that. Real quick, if you are interested in becoming a legendary marketer affiliate, if you want to go through the challenge, it's going to be the first link in the description below, and that's going to help you get started to become an affiliate for legendary marketer and all that good stuff, okay? You'll go through the challenge, and then after the challenge, you can go ahead and apply to be an affiliate, okay? Like I said, only $7 to get started, so nothing crazy there. Now, traffic. Traffic is the most important part of affiliate marketing. So the first way you can do it, there's going to be 2 ways to do it, okay? Actually, 3 ways. The first way is Udemy, okay? Udemy is really cool because what you can do is you can go here and you can basically buy someone else's email list, okay? So let's just say, there's a marketer, let's just say, has 1 million people on his email list. You go over to him and say, hey, I want you to send an email and I want you to send 500 people to my offer and I'll pay you, right? So that's basically what it is. So you can go to these people and you can say, hey, I want 1,000 people from your email list to go to my offer, okay? So this is the easiest way to get people to your offer. Now, obviously it does cost money because you got to pay for that. But what I'm saying is if you want to get some quick sales, you can definitely do this, okay? And the crazy thing is you can start building your list. You start building an email list, and then you now have traffic you control, which is the most important thing. You want to be able to build an email list, okay? And I do have videos on how to build an email list. I'm not going to go too much into that because that's a whole nother training in itself. But what I'm saying is you can get people from Udemy to your offer, okay? Which is very important. Okay, so you can see here I've bought, a bunch of traffic here in the last couple months here. I bought 500 people, 500. I always buy at least 500 just to get a good test. And but now I pretty much get all my traffic from YouTube, which is my next strategy. So if you go to youtube.com, you can basically, if you're comfortable with getting on video, you can go and create a video on like how to do affiliate marketing or how to use Clickfunnels, stuff like that. So let's just say, you go to YouTube and you type in a video like Clickfunnels. Let's do Clickfunnels tutorial. Okay, so you could basically teach people how to use Clickfunnels, and then when people find your video, they're going to click on your video and then click on your affiliate link to sign up, right? So that's basically how you would get people to buy your Clickfunnels affiliate link, right? So that's basically another thing you can do is using YouTube. Okay, YouTube is extremely powerful. I've gotten most of my traffic from YouTube. If you're comfortable getting on video, guys, I highly recommend you do YouTube. But yeah, all these videos here, people are getting a ton of sales, and it's free. You can just literally just shoot a video, screen capture it, and show people how to use Clickfunnels. Okay, and I have a ton of videos doing that as well. Okay. But if you don't want to do that, you can create a blog. That's another way you can do it. Basically, you can create a blog. I actually have a free course on how to create a blog. It's going to be, I think it's the second link in the description. It's my free affiliate marketing course. I teach people how to create a whole blog. But basically, it's another way to get traffic. I'll show you my blog real quick. If you don't like getting on video, it's a great way to do it because you can write an article on how to use Clickfunnels or like write a review about it. So this is another great way you can generate free traffic, right? So if you want like fast paid traffic, you can either do Udemy, which is solo ad traffic. You're paying for people to go to your website, or you can get, free traffic using YouTube or a blog. Okay. So with a blog, you basically write an article and, you drive people from the article to your offers. Okay. Very, very simple. Okay. So you can see here, I have a bunch of articles, on how to use, like right here, 7 tips for affiliate marketing. So in there, I would have Clickfunnels as a tool, okay? So if you go in here, you can see that I would definitely have Clickfunnels in there as part of my 7 tools, right? So all those things you can see that I'm using within, my article, I'm providing value, but within that article, I'm also, having my affiliate links in there as well, okay? So you can see here, get Clickfunnels for free. So this would go to my affiliate link, okay? If you do want to know how to build a website for free, I have a free affiliate marketing course that's going to be completely free. It shows you how to do it step by step, okay? This is just showing you how to build a website, step by step, everything you need, okay? There's like 10 steps in here. It's really, really good, guys, if you want to learn how to build a website. But I'm not going to go too much into that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you do want to get started with Legendary, if you want to get started with, promoting Legendary and then from there promote ClickFunnels within the system, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Guys, I promise you that if you get started doing affiliate marketing in 2020, you're going to see results as long as you stay consistent. I started affiliate marketing like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. I can't remember. I think it was May. Yeah, May. So I didn't even go that hard. I didn't actually I didn't actually put my head down and start until like August. So literally like 4 months. So like you can really get some results if you just really put your head down and just work. Okay. So anyways, if you are interested in that, it's the first link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me, and I am giving away my funnel that has helped me make over $15,000, almost $15,000 with Legendary. I'm giving that for free. If you are interested in that, just comment below. Just say I want your Legendary funnel, and if you comment that below, I will reach out to you and I'll get you that funnel for free. Okay, that's just kind of a gift for you for watching the whole video all the way through. Okay, so if you want it, comment below. Just say I want your Legendary marketer funnel, and I'll give you my funnel absolutely free. Okay, so anyways, guys, you guys have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you soon.